Hello everybody, this is Avery, Revio Freight. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can extend a chassis, or in other words, you can slide out a chassis. So it'll be whatever number you need it to be at. You can see right here, this is a 40 and I'm going to extend it to a 45, but there are other ones where you can extend a 20 to a 40 or 20 to a 30. And you'll usually see those numbers right there, whereas you see on this other chassis they have no numbers up there, so it cannot be extended out. So you see this latch right here. Once you push it in, the pin will lock it in place. What I want to do is move it to this other hole right here, so the pin will be locked in over there. That will extend it 45. So as I take the latch and push it or pull it back out, you will see that on the inside there's a frame that will move out along with the pin, so it will connect to the other hole for it to be 45 feet long. A few things that you want to make sure that you do before you try to do this is make sure your landing gear is up. Now, another thing you want to make sure you do before you get ready to try to pull this chassis out, release only the air brakes to your cab, because if you push both in, the whole chassis is going to move. You need the chassis to stay where it's at. So now you can see after this, my chassis has been extended to 45 feet, and now the new hole, and now the latch is in the 45-foot hole, and the latch is already extended in. So if it wasn't in, then obviously I would need to adjust it and make sure that it actually goes in.
So yeah, that's it. That should be everything you need to know about doing that. So hopefully the information was useful to you. And yeah, if it was, make sure to subscribe, so on and so forth. Got a 45 that I need to pick up tomorrow. Then after that, I'll pick up a 40. So yeah.